Well, hello students. In this video, we'll discuss MS Solution BBA Third Semester Unit 2 Global E-Business and Collaboration. So starting from the first topic, Business Process and Information System. Business Process. Write this business process definition as this. And now the example of example of functional business process. The example of functional business process are manufacturing and production, sales and marketing, finance and accounting, human resources. And next topic is the order fulfillment process in business process. The order fulfillment process in business process are first is generate order, second is just submit order, third is check credit, fourth is approve credit, fifth is generate invoice, sixth is assemble product, and the last one is ship product. So this is the order fulfillment process. So this is a short explanation. Now moving to our next topic, how information technology improve business processes. So information technology enhances business process in many two ways. By increasing efficiency of existing process, increased efficiency can be done by automating steps that were manual. And the next is by enabling entirely new processes that are capable of transforming the businesses. Now, the types of information system. There are main two types of information system. There are operational support system, and next one is management support system. So operational support system include a specialized processing system and transaction processing system, process control system, and enterprise collaboration system. Next one is management support system include management information system, decision support system, executive information system, and specialized processing system. So this is the types of information system. So this is the explanation of these types. How MIS obtain their data from organizations TPS, Transaction Processing Decision Processing or Transaction Processing System TPS. So you have to write this whole figure in order to know the answer of how MIS obtain their data from the organization's TPS. So this is a small explanation. This is decision support system, executive support system. Read this explanation yourself. Next topic is business intelligence. So business intelligence, write this. Business intelligence is defined as a class of software application which analyze current and historical data to find patterns and trends and aid decision making. And BI is used in system that support middle level and senior management. Business intelligence is of two types: data driven decision support system, and next one is executive support system, ESS. See the explanation yourself. So the comparison of TPS, MIS, and DSS, transaction processing system, MIS, and decision system. There is the difference here is the difference between TPS, MIS, and DSS. See this all difference between yourselves. Now next topic is enterprise application. Enterprise application. See this definition. And there are four main applications of enterprise application. They are enterprise system, supply chain management system, customer relationship management system, and knowledge management system. This is the functional area of enterprise. This is the functional area of enterprise application system. Enterprise system, supply chain management system. This all are the explanation of enterprise application. Now moving to our next topic, alternative tools that increase integration and expedite the flow of information are. First one is intranet. Second one is extranet. Third is e-business. Fourth is e-commerce. Fifth one is e-governance. Now the next topic, system for collaboration and teamwork. Collaboration. Should see the collaboration definition. The importance of collaboration are changing nature of work, changing culture of work, changing scope of firm, changing organization of the firm, emphasis on innovation, growth of professional works, that is job interaction. So next topic is business benefit of collaboration and teamwork. So see the business benefit of collaboration and teamwork are productivity, quality, innovation, customer service, and financial performance. See this explanation. Now requirements for collaboration. The requirement for collaboration are you can observe this figure and explain it. You can, by observing this figure, explain. You can easily explain this. Next topic is tools and technology for collaboration and teamwork. First one is email and instant messaging. Second is whiteboarding. Third one is collaborative writing or team writing. Fourth one is web presenting or online presentation. Fifth one is collaborating reviewing. Sixth one is work scheduling. Seventh one is event scheduling. Eighth one is document sharing, WIKIS. Ninth one is file sharing. 10th one is mind mapping. 11th one is screen sharing, that is or desktop sharing. 12th is large audience webinars. 13 is audio conferencing. 14 is co-browsing, collaborative browsing. 15th one is video conferencing. And the next topic is internet-based collaborative environments. There are 4 points. There are 4 internet-based collaborative environment. The first one is virtual meeting system or telepresence. Second one is Google Apps or Google Sites. Third one is Microsoft SharePoint. And fourth one is Lotus Note. So see this explanation. What are the advantages and disadvantages of using a video conferencing technology? What kind of company could benefit from using video conferencing? Are there any company that might not derive any benefit from this technology? Answer, see the answer here. Next topic is 2 dimension of collaboration technologies. On the basis of space, there are 2, remote or co-located, and on the basis of time, there are synchronous or asynchronous. So see the explanation here. Next topic is 6 step in evaluation software tools. They are what are your firm's collaboration challenges? What kind of solution are available? Analyze available products, costs and benefits. Evaluate security risks. Consult users for implementation and training issues. Sixth one is evaluate product vendors. So now next topic is time or space collaboration tool mix. So say this explanation yourself. This whole figure is the time or space collaboration tool mix. Information system department. See the definition, information system department. Programmers. Information system manager. CIO, Chief Information Officer. CSO, Chief Security Officer. CPO, Chief Privacy Officer. CKO, Chief Knowledge Officer. End users. IT governance. And the last one is system analysis or business technology analysis. So thank you dear viewers for watching my video. Thank you very much.